Hi there, and welcome to the first episode of the Basing Painting series. In this video, I'll be sharing my approach to creating a forest base. I started preparing the bases using Stirland mud to give me a suitable color and texture to simulate dirt. In order to define the texture, we can dry brush the base using Bloodstone. And a 3-to-1 mix of Thalite, Ochre and Screaming Skull. Before sealing the miniature with a varnish, I will paint the base rim using Steel Legion wrap. After having sealed the miniature, I will glue on some fallen leaf scatter summer using PVA glue filled with some water to allow it to fill the crevices. As well as a mixture of grass and winter grass. I sprinkled it on and tapped off the excess, holding the miniature upside down so that the straws would point upwards. And that completes the bases and this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. A list of all the materials and a link to the uruk-hai painting tutorial can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching.